In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CRM using Google Sheets with the help of Gemini AI. This process can simplify your workflow, making customer relationship management more efficient and accessible. Let's dive into it. First off, you'll need access to Gemini AI for Google Sheets. If you haven't gotten access yet, don't worry, I'll walk you through it. To get started, you'll need to apply for Google Workspace Labs using your Google account. Simply open your web browser and type Google Workspace Labs into the search bar. Once the search results appear, look for the first link that says Sign Up. Click on it, follow the instructions provided, and submit your application. After you've submitted it, just sit tight. Once you're accepted, a message will pop up saying, "Success, you're in." This confirmation means you now have access to all the exciting capabilities that Gemini AI offers for enhancing your Google Sheets experience. Now that your access is confirmed, it's time to head over to your Google Sheets. Open your sheet and look for the Gemini AI icon, which you should see at the top right of your screen. Clicking on this icon will take you into the Gemini AI interface, where the magic happens. The next step is about crafting a prompt that tells Gemini AI precisely what you need. Let's say you're running or assisting with the operations of a paper company and you're responsible for managing customer relationships. You can enter a prompt like "Generate a CRM for a paper company" into the provided field. With this prompt, Gemini AI will spring into action, generating a CRM template specifically tailored for you with example data. This generated sheet is not set in stone and will include sample data to give you a strong framework that you can modify to suit your company's specific needs. The beauty of this process is how customizable it is. If your company has unique requirements or specific fields that are crucial to your operations, you can adjust your prompt accordingly. Just add more details in your prompt to address these particular needs. For example, if you require fields related to customer purchase histories or contact preferences, just specify that, and Gemini AI will include those in the CRM it creates. This flexibility allows you to mold the finished CRM into a truly functional tool that aligns with your specific business processes. And there you have it, a functional, personalized CRM system within Google Sheets, powered by Gemini AI. This straightforward approach not only saves time, but also ensures that your customer relationship management is effective and tailored to your business needs. Thanks for joining me today, and happy CRM building with Google Sheets and Gemini AI.